So now the last collection is the dictionary. Dictionary is on order changeable. You can change it and it's indexed. So how do we use curly braces? But it must have a key and the items, or let's say products. Products equals to curly braces. One, the key is apple. That's the key. Then the value. Apple has a price. The price is $2.50. Then the next product is Sony laptop. Then that's the key. The value for Sony laptop is 25. This is 25. 25. Let's say it's a string. Then we have $25,000. 25 1 2 3. So the next one will be we have the butter, or we call blue band. And the key, the price, let's say is 200. So that's how to create the dictionary: key and value. So we print products out, and it's very useful when we are doing e-commerce. Or we are creating database or application system. Now let's say we are having another example for this. Let's say we have balls that we have used before. The balls equals to, second example, we have B1. That's ball 1 is of what color? Is of what color? Let's say it's red. Then comma, and I have the next one, B2. So what color? Let's say it's green. Right? You can have that. So we have balls. You can see the key and the value. Now, how do we now access the value? We use the key to access the value. The key, we have balls into square bracket. The key here is B1. We want to access B1. So for us to access it, we use B1. Now we can access the value of B1 by using the key. By using this key, B1 printing, that means B1 is color red. We also have alternate. To do that, we can also say ball using our get method, then a border that we are going to be getting, let's say B2. So we want get B2, that's green. We also change the value of this. Let's say we want to change the value of this. I want to change the value of B2. I want to use this to change the value of B2. All we need to do is to use our bracket to change the value of B2. We use B2 equals to, let's say we have gold. So then we print it. Let's print the value out. I want to change that. Sorry. let's see without balls. So you can see that it has been changed to gold. Now let's look through. How do we look through normal loop that we have for us in all us things us it's going to print us everything. It's going to print all the keys. It's going to print all the keys. But if you want to print out everything, together, to print out the values in dictionary one by one, what we need to do is very similar to this, but only the addition of the brackets. No, we just need to add this into it. For and square brackets show the list of that, because it's actually dictionary have a list of items inside with a key assigned to them. So we're going to do that. So we see the values there. We can also add dictionary set for the key together with the value. So we print it out here to do this. We can also remove item from this by using balls dot pop. Though there are a lot of methods to use to remove an item from it. So we use the pop with the key. Let's say we want to pull out the B2 there. So we use pop key, the key out there. So we have to make sure it's there. So we have B1, B2, B3. So B1 is out. We can also use another method called pop item. So maybe as time goes on, we can remove the last inserted item here. From here, we can remove the last inserted item using our pop item. So what we do is say pop item into bracket, then we run it. So it will remove the last inserted. So if I print the ball out, balls, hope you understand. Alright? We have this balls the pop item, remove the last inserted. So now you see that popping the last inserted item. We use some of these in application when we want to remove the last record someone added, or maybe we made this, or we want to remove the last inserted record. We use pop item to do that in our application. You can also use copy pop. This is great. Note that your dictionary is actually useful when you are accepting data. So text file, or you are using to create a database. You can also have a nested dictionary, as we have the first, the second, the third. So we're running. You can have the first is the child, first child, second child, the third child. Then we're running to print out the true that. So that's how to nest dictionary. So it is possible to also do have a dictionary construct. Alright, dictionary constructor. Use this. Use this. Big. For that, big big constructor. So for us to do that, we just need to initiate set big con equals to big into bracket. Then we specified our values. A, we have A, value A equals to, let's say, to bread. Then we have the C equals to cat. So we can run it out. Print big con, then big con value. So